Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B Pilates for your quick full body feel good stretch. So let's just start with a roll down, articulating the spine, little bend in the knees, let the head be heavy, and we're going to roll back up through the spine. Head is the last thing to come up. Relax the shoulders back, and again little bend in the knees as we roll down. Now hold onto your big toes, bend the knees, and then try and straighten the legs as much as you can. Holding onto the big toes, you might need a bend in the knees whilst you're doing this. A nice easy breath, lengthen the spine, let go of the toes, and rolling up through the spine. Again, relax the shoulders. So taking the feet a little bit wider than the hips, forward fold again, grab hold of the elbows, take a sway from side to side. Just swaying the torso, release the arms, roll all the way back up, stretching out that back. And then take the legs nice and wide. Inhale, arms up, bend into that knee and come down. You might touch the floor, you might not. So keep the spine long as you're doing this, don't round the back. And keep looking straight ahead, bending into that knee. So it's like a side to side lunge, stretching out those inner thighs as well. Inhale, center. Exhale as you come over. A few more. Bend in the knee, keeping the back nice and flat. And then forward fold to the center. So straighten the legs. Imagine the crown of the head come into the mat. And lengthen the spine. Inhale as you take one arm up, look up. Exhale down. Spine is long. Inhale, open. Exhale down. Inhale as you open. Remember, you don't have to look up, but do as long as it doesn't irritate the neck. Legs are straight as can be. You might need a little bend in the knees. Stretching out the back. Lovely rotation through the spine. And then forward fold. Again, imagine the crown of the head come into the mat. And just breathe. And then we're going to come back up to long spine. Step the feet closer together and just sway through the upper body as you come back up, all the way up. And now we're going to do some big circles with the arms, warming up the shoulders. Really great for the shoulder joints and mobility. And come forward, just reversing those circles. Good. And then open. Exhale as you come down. Keep the legs straight. Inhale, open, look up. Exhale, down. So inhale, open the chest, round the back as you come down. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Good. And then come to the front of the mat. Step back with your right leg. Come into a lunge. Bring the arms to cactus. Open, look up. Bend in that front knee, bend in the back knee. And then we're going to place the hands down on the mat and we're going to bend both knees and straighten. So hips are going forward and back, getting that nice hamstring stretch through the legs. Forward and back, bend and straighten. Then bend the knee, right hand down, left arm up, look up, twist through the spine. Bring that left hand back down, come up, get your balance. Take the arms up, relax the shoulders. Left arm opens, follow it with your eyes into that rotation. Bring it forward. And then turn your right toes forward. So come into a warrior position, relax the shoulders, left leg bent. Then left forearm to the left thigh, right arm reaches up. Bring the arms up, then straighten that left leg, push through the foot. Now reach over and over, left arm down, right arm up, look up. Good. Both legs are straight. Come up and then let's go to the other side. Or forward fold first. Straightening the legs. Rolling up. Now turn, so now your right leg is forward, back heel is off the mat. Bend into that lunge, Open cactus arms, look up. Good, then bring the hands down onto the mat, bend both knees and straighten. And don't force anything here, just straighten as much as you can. Good. And then left hand down, right arm opens, look up. And then come back up, get your balance, turn those left toes forward, bend that right knee, arms up, relax the shoulders. Right arm to the thigh, left arm up and over, open the chest. Keep the chest facing forward, open the arm, straighten that right leg. Reach, 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 bring that right arm down, left arm up for triangle. And again, just getting both legs as straight as you can. Coming up, forward fold, toes facing forward. Heavy torso, heavy head as you roll up. And then just jump the feet together. Come to the back of the mat. And we're going to roll out, walk the hands out into a little plank just for a second. And then lift the hips. Pedal the knees, bending one knee at a time. Imagine 2 strings are pulling your hips up towards the sky. Lengthen in the spine. Let the head be heavy. Just bending one knee at a time. And then lengthen here. Just lifting the hips. Aiming the heels towards the mat. Just breathe. Taking a few nice inhale, exhales. You can always take pose of a child here if this is too much. And then we're going to step or jump forward. Forward fold. And then come into a little chair position. Bend the knees. Lengthen through the spine. And then forward fold. And just straightening those legs, rolling up through the spine. Good. And then straighten that right leg, go into a hamstring and calf stretch. Your left leg is bent, hands on the left leg, the bent knee, not the straight leg. Swap sides. Straighten that left leg, hands on the right knee. Get into that calf and hamstring. And then come facing forward, roll the shoulders back. Big circle with the head. I hope you enjoyed this full body stretch. Please make sure to subscribe. Have a beautiful day.